The industrial engineering is the application of engineering when the principles and techniques of scientific management to maintain a high level of productivity and optimal cost in industrial enterprises. One of the priority areas of industrial engineering is her of controlling the production. The industrial engineering centers how a product is done, how a service is offered. The goal of the industrial engineering is to improve how. We will explain how it's made balance, that it's a process where an industrial engineer takes part actively observing the production of the product. How it's made barons. Barons are used to mark a special location or the breeding of a date, but barons were not always so delicate in early days. They were made of a dry animal's bladders. To make barons, they put an ink into a tank of latex. They filter it through cheesecloth to remove any lumps. A heater at the bottom of the tank mixes it for 15 hours. This distributes the color of fuselage tanks active so it doesn't freeze. Balloons have come in 53 different shapes. Some nozzles spray water onto balloons forms to clean them, at the move an assistant of rollers.
A device turns instrument dissolves in a tank of coolant that takes a low electrochemistry that attacks to the latex to the color. The latex dries quickly and convection moves the balloons from their forward to wires to wind brushes. The erosion rolls of the balloons create words let out make it possible for people and grip to the balloons in order to inflate. The device turns again and the submerged in the bath of warm water. They are dipped to last 16 minutes. This step eliminates all the days between then a protein that provokes allergy to latex. A few of the globes are introduced in a mixture of powder to chalk and water. This facilitates the extraction to the mold. During the process of will the molds pair with the latex to the mold to happen to a machine is processed to the globes in the filament by air, and by means of rolling the globes are separated. Finally, the balloons runs into an industrial washing machine, and as clean solution, the machine keeps the balloons full of steaming to the 160 degrees Fahrenheit while the globes fall down to purged by water. Into us, this doesn't just clean the balloons, it completes the blacking session of the latex.